think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey Glam fam, welcome to the channel. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button in order to join the Glam fam, and also make sure that you hit that thumbs up button to let me know that you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it. Let's go ahead and let's get started on how to get rid of those crusty feet, honey. So just because it is colder outside and a lot of us are wearing boots does not mean that you just leave your feet to get crusty, honey. You still need to take care of those things. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some quick remedies that you can use for crusty feet, okay? Because we don't want to have crusty feet. We want to have nice, smooth, beautiful feet. And today I'm going to share with you guys exactly how to. As we all know, having rough, cracked skin on the feet is something that is very common. In fact, a lot of people walk around with dry, cracked skin on their feet and they don't even care, honey. So don't even be worried about the fact that you have it. Just know that you can improve it. The feet have fewer oil glands than other parts of the body. And they also experience daily wear and tear with us, of course, moving around a lot, walking back and forth, going to a lot of different places. Your feet experience the most weight of your body as well. But you can, in fact, relieve some of that dry skin with a few simple home remedies. Now let's talk about a few of the causes for dry, cracked feet. One of the first ones is a lack of moisture. I don't know why a lot of us don't like applying lotion to our feet, but it will definitely help you out in the long run, especially if you are someone who has dry skin. Dry, cracked, flaking skin is especially common on the heel of the foot because, like I just mentioned earlier, this part of your foot has fewer oil glands than any other part of your body. Now, dry, cracked heels can also be caused due to irritation. Standing for too long or wearing poorly fitted shoes can result in irritation and can also put constant pressure on specific areas of the feet, causing them to become dry and cracked. Now, heat and humidity can also cause this, which I need you guys to listen up because we are living in a time right now where we are wearing lots of boots. Closed shoes such as sneakers and boots create such a closed-in environment, creating an extremely hot and humid environment for your feet. Heat and humidity draw moisture from the skin, causing your feet to become dry. A few other things that can cause dry and cracked feet are soaps, medications, and also aging. Now that we've figured out what dry feet can be caused from, let's talk about a few ways that you can rid yourself of them with some natural at-home remedies. Dead skin cells on the skin naturally fall off. But when a person does not take the extra step in order to remove the dead skin cells, then they start to build up, causing dry, flaky feet. Now this is where maintaining your feet comes into play, because you have to take care of them in order for them to be soft and nice. You guys, taking care of every part of your body is very important because if you just let it go, lots of things happen, like dry, cracked feet. One of the first things that I can recommend to you all is exfoliate. I don't know why this is a step that a lot of people like to skip, but this is beneficial for all over your body, and I'm talking about from head to toe. Exfoliation helps to remove dead layer skin, which you have to get rid of, you guys. It is very important. Our bodies have a lot of dead skin, and that is simply because a lot of us don't get the exfoliation that we need. Your feet are no different. You can use foot scrubs or body brushes as long as you are doing something to let your feet know that you love them and you thank them for all the work that they're doing. You can buy foot scrubs, which I will leave some listed down below, or you can make your very own using honey, warm water, and sugar. Now, another way that you can help your feet is by doing a foot soak. Now, one thing that can be beneficial in this area is baking soda for getting off all of that extra yucky dry skin. Soaking the feet in warm water can help soothe and loosen up all of that disgusting dry skin, while also helping to improve blood circulation in the feet, which can in fact help to prevent dry skin in the future. and adding a small amount of vinegar to your foot soak will help furthermore, which I did that previously here on my channel. If you guys have not checked out my pedicure videos here, you might want to check those out because there's a ton of different information in those videos about improving your feet and about getting the best feet possible. Now, other beneficial ingredients to consider is Epsom salt, honey, oatmeal, lemon juice, and peppermint essential oil. Make sure that you moisturize. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. There is absolutely no reason why you should be walking around here not moisturizing your skin. Regularly moisturizing the feet will help reduce dry skin that may already be there and prevent dry skin coming in the future. Moisturizing the feet after using an exfoliator will help to lock in that moisture. And it is also best to avoid lotions, creams, and different things that might contain alcohol, as this can be very drying for the skin. Instead, a person should look for things that contain humectants such as aloe vera. So really quickly, I'm going to take you guys to my kitchen with me and we can mix up our very own mixture in order to improve the feet. We don't want to have dry, crusty feet, you guys. That is not cute. Take care of your feet and take care of your body because it needs you to, okay? You only get one body, and the more you maintain it, the more people can tell. So love on you a little bit, okay? And if you're still watching, comment down below, love on you. Let's head to my kitchen. Alright, you guys, so this footage turned out slightly blurry because my camera was actually focusing on the bowl, but you guys can see what I'm doing perfectly fine, I hope. First, I'm starting by adding in 3 tablespoons of honey, and this honey is going to help to keep the feet nice and smooth. It's also going to help with applying the sugar. You guys, this mixture leaves your feet so nice and so silky. You're gonna absolutely love the way this makes your feet feel. And after that, I am adding in my sugar. I will be adding about 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar. Now, I decided to use just regular sugar, not brown sugar or anything, but just regular sugar, because regular sugar is a little bit more, I would say, rough and grit, okay? So it helps to get off all of that extra dead skin, but either one is fine. And then all that you want to do is mix those 2 ingredients together. Now, I would say that this mixture is absolutely perfect if you are someone who is going to soak your feet and then apply it, because it's going to help to get all of that dead skin off and leave your skin feeling so nice. Say goodbye to crusty feet today, honey, because this mixture is the one for you, okay? And this is how it should look once it's complete. And you guys, this is my feet. Now, I'd recommend applying this about once a week for the best result. And that is all the information that I wanted to share with you guys on today. I hope that you all found this video helpful. If you did, please don't hesitate to give your girl a huge thumbs up. When you thumbs up YouTubers' videos, it helps to push our videos out into the algorithm and recommend it. So make sure that you are doing that for the kid. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. The support is unmatched, you all, and I am truly thankful for each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for sharing with me so much love, and I will see you guys in my next video.